She's not Kyle. She doesn't do vlogs down under. It's Monday. What is she doing here? Surprise! Kyle's not on Mondays anymore. It's me. And you don't even know me. I am the newest member of Vlogs Down Under. I'm Jess and I will now be doing Mondays. And I'll be calling them Magic Mondays with Jess because I like magical things. But I think for each week, the videos that I'll do, I kind of have like a highlight of my week. If you're having a bad day and you think, well, I don't know, over the last week I've had a really awesome time, you kind of feel better instantly. Also, what I'm listening to, like my favorite song, and what I'm eating, my favorite food of the week. Because everyone loves favorite stuff. But for what you should expect is kind of the unexpected. You didn't just throw whatever comes out of my life right in your face. Welcome to Magic Mondays with Jess. I'm gonna do the questions for week 1. So the highlights of my week. I did my debutante ball. What I'm listening to, so my favorite song at the moment is, I'm gonna play it for you right now. Be true love, true love. What I'm eating right now, Tim Tam. Being in a fight over things, just being me up. Anyway, I'll see you next week on Magic Monday. I'm gonna do the first